Okay, we have this implicitly defined function right here, assuming that this x plus y is under the radical. And you're asked to find y prime or dy dx by implicit differentiation. Okay, here's the graph of that function right here. It actually stops at 0, 16, and 16, 0. To find out 3 points on the curve, take some trial and error. But looks like the point A, 2, 2 is on the curve. And if you actually find dy dx or y prime, it looks like it's this complicated looking expression. And if I find g of 2, 2, I should get the slope of the tangent line. At that point, it looks like that evaluates to -1. And here's the equation of that tangent line. So based on this picture, it's looking like this indeed is the definition of y prime or dy dx. Now, how do we get to there? Okay, so we'll put x plus y to the 1/2 as a replacement for the square root. Same for the product xy. Apply the product rule, 1/2, reduce the exponent by 1. Here's the chain rule. The derivative of the inside, the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of y is y prime. Similarly, 1/2, reduce the exponent by 1. The derivative of the inside, you need the product rule. First times the derivative of the second, plus the second y times the derivative of the first. And of course, the derivative of the constant 4 is 0. Now, how do you get from here all the way down to here? First of all, I'd multiply every term by 2 to clear the equation of fractions. And at the same time, I rewrote x plus y to the -1/2 as 1 over the square root of x plus y. Same for this. So here's what we've got. Now at this point, we can multiply every term by the square root of x plus y times the square root of xy. Again, clearing the equation of fractions. So for this first term, the square root of x plus y's will cancel out, and I'll get 1 plus y prime times the square root of xy. Over here, we'll get xy prime plus y times the square root of x plus y. And now the key is we have to use the distributive property to get rid of these parentheses so we can collect the terms containing y prime. There they are. The other terms not containing y prime will transpose to the right side of the equal sign by subtracting them. And we'll factor out the y prime from the two terms that do contain a y prime. Y prime times the square root of xy plus x times the square root of x plus y. And finally, to solve for y prime, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y prime, which is this expression right here. Okay, and you could do what I did on the first board, factor out that minus sign and leave it in front of the fraction. Square root of xy plus y times the square root of x plus y over this denominator. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment. I will make the observation that if you do g of 0, 16 and g 16, 0, you'll find that you've got a horizontal tangent line here, slope is 0, and here you've got at 0, 16, you've got a vertical tangent line. In other words, the derivative is undefined when x is 0 and y is 16. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.